What if I told you that you could snack on delicious treats without any added sugar? Sounds too good to be true? Well, these 10 sugar-free snacks might surprise you. In just a few minutes, we'll share healthy snacks that not only curb your cravings but also keep your blood sugar in check. Stay tuned to find out how you can snack smarter without the sugar. Number 10, raw nuts. Let's kick off with one of the healthiest, most convenient snacks, raw nuts. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them an excellent choice for stabilizing blood sugar levels while keeping you full. The best part? No added sugars. Raw almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pistachios are all naturally low in carbs, and their rich nutritional profile can support heart health, brain function, and overall well being. These nuts are not only great for controlling cravings, but are also super satisfying, providing a combination of fiber and healthy fats that take longer to digest, helping you stay fuller longer. Their low glycemic index means they won't cause sudden blood sugar spikes, making them a perfect snack for diabetics and anyone watching their glucose levels. You can enjoy them in so many ways. Grab a handful as a snack, add them to salads for some crunch, mix them into your oatmeal, or even use them in smoothies for extra creaminess. Just be mindful of portions, as nuts are calorie dense. A small handful, about 1 ounce, is the perfect serving size to enjoy all the benefits without overindulging. So next time you're craving a snack, choose raw nuts. Number 9, Greek yogurt. Next up is Greek yogurt, a perfect snack that's high in protein, probiotics, and calcium. It's a great option for keeping blood sugar stable, improving digestion, and supporting bone health. Just make sure to choose the unsweetened varieties to avoid added sugars that can cause glucose spikes. Greek yogurt's thick and creamy texture makes it a satisfying snack that keeps you feeling full. The probiotics it contains are great for gut health, and its high protein content helps regulate hunger. Plus, the calcium supports strong bones, which is especially important for diabetics. To make it even more delicious, you can top it with a handful of fresh berries, which add a burst of flavor and antioxidants, or sprinkle a little cinnamon for a sweet touch without any added sugar. You could even add a few raw nuts from our previous snack to boost the crunch and nutrition. Greek yogurt is versatile and can be eaten as a standalone snack, mixed into smoothies, or paired with granola. Just make sure it's sugar-free. It's the kind of snack that satisfies your cravings while fueling your body with essential nutrients. Number 8, veggie sticks with guacamole. Next on the list, veggie sticks with guacamole. This snack is a fantastic way to satisfy your cravings while keeping your blood sugar in check. The veggies, like cucumber, celery, or carrots, are loaded with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar and promote healthy digestion. They're also low in calories and carbs, making them ideal for diabetics. Pairing them with homemade guacamole brings in healthy fats from avocado, which are essential for heart health. Avocados also provide potassium, which can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. The best part? This snack is completely sugar-free, so you won't have to worry about any glucose spikes. To prepare, simply chop up your favorite crunchy veggies, cucumber, celery, or carrots, and dip them into a bowl of homemade guacamole. It's a refreshing, nutrient-packed snack that's easy to make and great for on the go. You can even add a squeeze of lime or a pinch of chili powder for an extra kick of flavor. This combination of fiber and healthy fats will keep you feeling satisfied and energized without spiking your blood sugar. So next time you're looking for a tasty snack, swap the chips for veggie sticks and guac. Number 7, cheese slices. Cheese slices make for a quick, easy, and satisfying snack. And the best part? No added sugars. Cheese is packed with protein and calcium, making it an excellent choice for supporting strong bones and keeping you full longer. It's a low-carb, high-fat snack that won't spike your blood sugar. Whether it's cheddar, mozzarella, or goat cheese, you get all the benefits of healthy fats and essential nutrients without the unwanted sugar. Plus, cheese contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps you feeling satisfied for hours, making it an ideal snack for diabetics looking to curb hunger between meals. To enjoy this snack, simply grab a few slices of your favorite cheese and go. It's the ultimate grab-and-go option for busy days. You can even pair it with some veggies or nuts for a balanced, nutrient-dense snack. Cheese can be enjoyed on its own or paired with crackers. Just look for low-carb options. or a handful of fresh fruit for a slightly sweet contrast. It's a delicious sugar-free snack that's full of flavor and won't disrupt your blood sugar levels. Number 6. Boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are one of the most convenient and nutritious snacks you can have, and they're completely sugar-free. Packed with high-quality protein, vitamin D, and healthy fats, boiled eggs offer a wealth of benefits for diabetics. The protein helps control hunger and keeps your blood sugar levels stable, while the healthy fats promote heart health and give you long-lasting energy. Boiled eggs are also an excellent source of vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in insulin sensitivity and overall immune function. Best of all, there's no added sugar, making them a perfect choice for a snack that won't cause blood sugar spikes. To enjoy, simply boil a batch of eggs and keep them in the fridge for an easy, portable snack. They're perfect for busy days when you need something quick and filling. You can eat them as is, or add a pinch of salt, pepper, or a sprinkle of paprika to boost the flavor. Boiled eggs are a versatile snack, whether you eat them alone or pair them with a side of veggies or some avocado for added fiber and healthy fats. They're an easy and satisfying choice that fits perfectly into a balanced, sugar-free diet. Number 5. Edamame. Edamame is an excellent snack that's packed with protein, fiber, and iron, all while being completely sugar-free. These young soybeans are a powerhouse of nutrients, making them a great option for diabetics looking to snack smart. The high protein content in edamame helps with muscle repair and keeps you feeling full longer, while the fiber aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. Additionally, edamame provides a healthy dose of iron, which is essential for red blood cell production and overall energy levels. To enjoy edamame, simply steam them and sprinkle with a little sea salt for a savory treat. They're easy to prepare, and their slightly nutty flavor makes them the perfect snack to curb cravings. You can eat them straight from the pod or remove the beans for a snack that's even easier to eat on the go. Edamame is versatile too. You can pair it with other snacks like a handful of raw nuts or even a few slices of cheese for a balanced, protein-packed snack. It's a crunchy, satisfying snack that's completely sugar-free and perfect for maintaining steady blood sugar levels. Number 4. Chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a fantastic sugar-free snack that's loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, making it a powerhouse for both blood sugar regulation and heart health. Chia seeds absorb liquid and expand, forming a thick, creamy texture that's perfect for pudding. These tiny seeds are also packed with fiber, which helps keep you full and satisfied while preventing blood sugar spikes. To make chia seed pudding, simply combine chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk or any other low-sugar milk option. The seeds will soak up the liquid overnight, forming a delicious, thick pudding by morning. You can top it with unsweetened coconut flakes, a few fresh berries, or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor and a touch of antioxidants. Chia seed pudding is not only incredibly easy to make, but it's also customizable. Add your favorite toppings or mix-ins like a few chopped nuts or seeds to boost the nutrient content even further. It's the perfect snack to prepare the night before, giving you a convenient, healthy option for your day. This snack is completely sugar-free and perfect for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels while enjoying a delicious treat. Number 3. Avocado. Avocado is a nutrient-dense superfood that's perfect for a sugar-free snack. It contains zero sugar, making it ideal for those watching their blood sugar levels. What makes avocado especially powerful is its combination of healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. These nutrients help slow digestion and keep blood glucose levels steady, making it a great option for people with diabetes or anyone avoiding sugar spikes. Avocados are also packed with potassium, magnesium, and heart-healthy compounds that can help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. The healthy fats found in avocado also contribute to satiety, keeping you fuller for longer and reducing the urge to snack on sugary alternatives. When it comes to enjoying avocado, simplicity is key. You can mash it up and spread it over whole grain crackers for a quick, nutritious bite, or sprinkle it with a little sea salt and eat it right out of the shell with a spoon. You can also slice it into salads or mash it into guacamole. However you serve it, avocado is a tasty, sugar-free powerhouse that can easily become a staple in your healthy snacking routine. Number 2, cucumber and hummus. Cucumber and hummus make for an incredibly refreshing and satisfying snack loaded with fiber and healthy fats, all while being completely sugar-free. Cucumbers are high in water content, making them hydrating and light, while their crisp texture pairs perfectly with the creamy, rich taste of hummus. The fiber in cucumber helps with digestion and supports stable blood sugar levels, while the healthy fats in hummus, primarily from olive oil and tahini, provide a steady source of energy. Together, they make a snack that will fill you up without causing any blood sugar spikes. To enjoy, simply slice a cucumber and dip the slices into your favorite hummus. It's a light yet filling snack that's perfect for when you're craving something savory. You can even prepare the cucumber slices and store them in the fridge for a quick snack during the day. This combination not only supports your blood sugar levels, but also provides a satisfying crunch and creamy texture that makes it a perfect, guilt-free option to satisfy your cravings. Number 1. Sugar-free jerky. Jerky can be a fantastic high-protein, sugar-free snack option. It's not only packed with protein to help keep you full and satisfied, but it also contains no added sugars, making it perfect for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Whether you choose turkey, beef, or even plant-based jerky, you'll find a wide variety of options that are both tasty and nutritious. The great thing about sugar-free jerky is its convenience. It's portable, non-perishable, and requires no preparation. Just grab a pack and you're good to go, making it an ideal snack for busy days or when you need something savory to curb your hunger. The protein in jerky helps stabilize blood sugar and provides long-lasting energy, while the lack of sugar ensures you won't experience any glucose spikes. Look for jerky with minimal ingredients, avoiding options with added sugars or preservatives for the healthiest choice. So, next time you're in the mood for something savory, reach for a pack of unsweetened jerky. It's a quick, delicious, and sugar-free way to stay on track with your healthy eating habits. Conclusion. These 10 snacks are not only delicious, but also sugar-free, so you can enjoy them guilt-free while keeping your blood sugar levels stable. From crunchy veggie sticks to protein-packed jerky, you can easily make healthier choices without sacrificing taste or convenience. Which snack will you be trying first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on more healthy sugar-free snack ideas.